Hello, welcome to Tech Channel. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is size. So here I have created one program for that. So let's go through the program. So firstly, we are setting some control option that is no debug IO and SRC STMT. So these are the control option that we are specifying for the debugging purpose. And below to that, from line number 12, I have declared few variables that we will use for the demonstration of size built-in function. Okay, so I have declared one variable as var1, which is of type packed decimal, and the size of this variable is 5. Similarly, we have declared another variable var2, which is of zone type, and the size is 5. And another variable we have declared here is var3, which is of character type, size 5. Okay, and at last we are using one more variable, that is a result variable, and it is of packed decimal of size 5. So let's see how we are using this percentage size built-in function here. So syntax is very simple. You have to just write percentage size, and then inside you have to pass the variable for which you want to use the percentage size built-in function. Okay, so let's see how we are using it here. So what it do, percentage size built-in function return the number of bytes occupied by the variable or by the element. So how many bytes will be occupied by your variable, it will be uh, presented with the help of percentage size built-in function. So let's see. So here on line number 26, I am using percentage size built-in function for the var1, means variable 1. So the type of this function variable is packed decimal 5. So let's see how much bytes it occupied for storing the data. Similarly, yeah, I'm using this built-in function size built-in function for var2 also, but here if you see, I'm using the decimal type as a zone, and for var3 I'm using it as a char. Okay, so for these three variables, var1, var2, var3, I'm using percentage size to retrieve the number of bytes occupied by these variables or elements. Okay, and also we are just displaying it on the screen. And on line number 42, I'm setting star I and R equals to star. So let's see whether we are getting the output or not. So I'm compiling it and calling it. So first output we got is 3. So it means back decimal values is taking 5 bytes to store the data. Then we got the 5, which is for zone decimal, and then we are getting 5 for character data. Okay. So that's how we can utilize this size building function. This is mainly for find to determine the number of bytes occupied by the element. Same thing you can do for the array and data structure also. Like if you want to find out like how many byte it is occupied, so in that scenario you can also use this size building function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Channel.